What is the right way to buy as an investor?
There are 3-4 options that you can buy a coin as an investor, because we are keeping jewelry out. Coin actually involves making charges, tiny bit of that, and a GST of 3%. Right? So that is something which you will not recover when you sell it back. Right? In jewelry, of course, there are making charges as much higher, like 8%, 10%, 20%. That's a different story altogether. And the other form is ETFs. And the third is that digital gold for a longer term purposes. So if you are not into very long term, मतलब at least आपको 2-3-5 साल का अगर ये नहीं है, तो coin doesn't really make sense because you lose 3% of GST. Right? In ETFs, your tax loss is nothing, because and you can buy as low as a milligram of ETF is today is around 120 rupees. So when 1 gram of gold is 12,000 rupees, ETF will come at 120 rupees.
Yes.
You can start at one, is like a very small ticket size. And when you sell it back also, the taxation happens, the GST happens at the fund level, so you don't lose anything.
Right.
So you don't have any tax loss on that. So that makes it efficient. But there is a little bit of input cost in that, which is again tiny, around 30-35 bips, which is the AMC charges, which is built into the price. They will not take it separately. And the third is digital gold. Again, absolutely there are no AMC charges and anything else. But again here, there are no making charges, etc. But if you call for a delivery to home, they will charge you courier charges.
Okay.
The logistics of that. So that's something which you have to take care of. So it's absolutely your preference which way you want to go. The easiest and preferred way is ETFs, because it doesn't involve anything. You have a stock market account and you just buy and sell, nothing to do with the deliveries and all those things.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.